Today we are visiting Shanghe village in Songyang County, East China's Zhejiang province. As a village located in the southwest of Zhejiang, it is benefiting from Songgu irrigation scheme, which has just been recognized as one of the World Heritage irrigation structures. As we can see, the grain-producing areas here are about to receive a bumper rice harvest in the coming autumn.
我们现在呢，稻谷也已经基本上成熟了，估计大概1周之内可以收割。如果没有这个雁坝的话呢，说实话，像今年特别的天气呢，肯定也会受到影响。这个雁坝呢是清代开始建造的，那么经过我们以后的修复，现在这个灌区呢总共大概2000来亩，全部都是这个灌口堰进来的水。
Songgu irrigation scheme has a history of thousands of years and is still being used today. It reflects the Chinese people's millennia-old wisdom in water control and management. The scheme has a rich display of ancient weirs, low dams, ponds and wells, many of which date back to the Han Dynasty. The weir behind me is called Wuyang Weir. It was built in the Ming Dynasty, and now it is a must-see for most visitors. Like Wuyang Weir, there are 14 existing weirs and dams for irrigation in Songgu irrigation scheme, and more than 50 weirs and dams were built before the Qing Dynasty.